Hey everybody, it's me, Clarice, for those of you who don't know me. I just washed my Bobbi Boss hair, the Ocean Wave, 2 packs, 18 inches, 1B. Um, I'll show you the products I use. This is the first wash. I've had it in for a week, and it was just getting a little greasy because I don't honestly wrap my hair every night. Some nights I'm just too tired and too lazy to go through the process of twisting it up and wrapping it. But so here are the products I used. I used Herbal Essence Totally Twisted Curless Shampoo Waves. I do have the Soft Sheen Weave Care Shampoo, but I figured that this would just be better for this hair because it's curly hair, and the Soft Sheen Weave Care really works well with straight hair more. So I just went with the Herbal Essence. But I did use the Soft Sheen Weave Care Conditioner. This is what the bottle looks like from afar. You can get these both at Walgreens, CVS, Rite Aid, and as I like to have, just make sure that the hair is a little bit more protected, a little bit more conditioned. Um, so I got this Biofusion. Here. It's an olive oil leave-in conditioner. I got this at CVS. I used it on my my weave that I had previously. Um, it was his and her hair, natural, kinky straight. Um, I had 22 inches in that hair, but I used it with that, and this just did wonders on the hair because that hair has a tendency to dry out. So I used this on my last weave, and it made the hair super smooth, really manageable, and it didn't tangle up nearly as much because his and her hair tangles a lot, and I'll do a review on that later. But I'm going to go ahead and let this dry, and then I'll come back to you guys and show you what it comes out to look like. Alright? Bye. Okay, here we go, everybody. Sorry. As you see, I pretty much finished drying my hair. I let it air dry for the most part, but I'm impatient, and so I blow dried it a little bit, as you guys saw, with the little scrunching method. My curls came back. I still love the curl pattern. Still very wavy. You see, it's nice and shiny and really, really pretty looking. Let me stand up so you guys can kind of see a better view. So, this is the hair. You see the shine on it and the wave pattern. So yeah, again, this is the Ocean Wave, the Bobbi Boss. I have 2 packs of 18 inches, 2 full packs, and it's 1B. I have no hair out, as you see. I have everything Southern. She did her own closure. My hairstylist, she did her own closure. Um, so next, I'll probably next week I'll probably straighten it and do a tutorial with my GHD flat iron on some different curl looks. But I love the curly hair. I love this hair. I love this hair. So I think it's really great. I think I would totally personally recommend it to anybody. So that's my review. This is the Bobbi Boss Ocean Wave After Wash. Okay, so everybody have a nice day. Bye.